Welcome to Solver Fee.
In this problem, I am writing the reaction here. So just look at it carefully. CS3, C triple bond C, CS3 in presence of Na, NH3 will produce trans 2-butene as the final product. So according to the option in this problem, option B is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer for this problem. I hope you understand the solution of this problem.